Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready to learn a brand new addition strategy? Okay, first let's write our names. Remember, first name and last name. We have to be practicing. Okay, now you can either make the addition number line helper with the bead and the pipe cleaner, or you can just use the number line that's right here. That is on the back of one of your other pages. So I'm just going to use this number line to help me with my addition today. So our strategy that we're using today is using a number line to help us. So this is how we use a number line. As you can see, we have the number 0 all the way to 10. And what we're going to do when we use a number line is we look at our first number that we're starting with, and that's where we begin when we're going to count. And then we look at our next number, and that's how many spaces we jump over. So I'm going to show you the first one as an example. We have 1 plus 3. So here's my number 1. I find my number 1 on the number line. My next number is 3, so I know I'm going to jump 3 more times. I'm going to jump from this line to 1, 2, 3, and then whichever one I land on, that's my answer. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. See how we did that? We started on the number 1 because that was our first number in our addition sentence, and we jumped 3 places because that was our next number. I'm going to show you one more time. We started here on 1, and then we jumped 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We jumped 3 times, and then we landed on the number 4. Okay, let's keep going on. Here I have 7 plus 1. So here's my first number in my addition sentence. So I'm going to start on my number 7, and I'm going to just jump 1 more because that's my next number is 1. So I start here on 7, and I jump 1, and I land on 8. So guess what? 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Now I have 4 plus 1. So here's my number 4. That's where I'm going to begin my jumping. And I'm only going to jump 1 more spot because that's my next number. So here I am on 4, and I'm going to jump 1, and I land on the 5. See that? So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now here, my next sentence says 0 plus 1. I'm going to start on my 0, and I'm going to jump 1 spot. 1, and I landed on the number 1. Okay, now here's my, I wonder if you can hear that. Here's my next one, 5 plus 3. So I'm going to start on my number 5, and I'm going to jump 3 places. So here I'm on 5. Let's jump 3. 1, 2, 3. And I landed on 8. Dropped my pencil. Did you see my face? Okay, so here I have 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right, moving on along. I have 3 plus 2. So I'm going to start on my number 3 on the number line, and I'm going to jump over 2 more spots. Here I have 3, jump 2. 1, 2, and I land on 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, I want you to keep on doing the rest of your problems, trying to use your number line. All right, boys and girls, have fun. Bye-bye.